everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos and I'm going to be doing some ocean coasters today. So these I got at Ikea. Aren't they awesome? Love them. I did another set. I'll show you that. And those were a lot of fun. So I'm going to do some ocean coasters again, but maybe I'm thinking of doing this peachy color or the pinky or this pink color for sand instead of the way I did it before. So I'm not sure. I'll decide when I'm in the moment. And I'm using some of my new pigments from Arttree Creations. This is a Mermaid color. It's very shimmery and it's like a blue-green. And I'm going to be using Stormy Night, also by Arttree Creations. I'm going to be using their Iceland White, which I've heard so much about. Tyler from Amazing AF Artwork, I hope I'm saying it right. He recommended this. And this is Art Spectrum Ink Turquoise. I want to try that one out. And then this is not from Arttree Creations. This is Illuminite Ocean Blue Dye. So I'm looking for some transparency. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Using transparent dyes and inks and other pigments to play around with layering a little bit. So that's what I'll use for these. So I'm going to mix up my colors and I'll be back. So I'm just adding a little bit of resin to the coasters because I'm going to lay some of that peachy mica right in there. This mica is by Mayspring. And in retrospect, I made that dark blue, at least the two dark blues that I'm using, a little bit too opaque. I should have added less pigment, but it does turn out okay in the end. I love the Art Spectrum ink because I added just one little drop and it gave me this beautiful clear blue. So now I'm just adding the heat gun, moving the pigments around until I get a composition that I like. I'm adding that white. And I always struggle with lacing. I don't know if it's my heat gun because I have bought basically every white pigment there is that is known to lace and I never really get the lacing I'm looking for. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I think it could be my heat gun, but I'm not sure. I know a lot of people get lacing with Promarine resin, but I can't use Promarine. It makes me start to itch a little bit, and I didn't like how I felt while I was using it, so I haven't used it since. Another note, I did have some issues with one of the coasters, and where I placed it, it wasn't level, and so the design kind of changed, so I had to reheat it and try to work through it. So you'll see in the following pictures, not this one but the next one, that the composition changed somewhat. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. See you on the next one.